So it's Mother's Day this weekend, and I want every mom to know how much she's loved and how special she is. So if you want to treat someone really special this weekend, but your pantry's a little bit bare, not to fear. I have a rescue recipe that you can whip up within minutes and take it to her on Sunday morning with a beautiful warm cup of tea or a cup of coffee, and I can guarantee you she is gonna feel like $1,000,000. So what we're going to be whipping up today is a 2-minute microwave cake. So let's get started. So we've got 5 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder with a pinch of salt. Whisk that together. Everyone should own a mini whisk. They are fantastic. I love these things. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to whisk that around. There are no eggs in this recipe, so it's really easy. You can just use a fork if you don't have a baby whisk. We are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of oil and 5 tablespoons of hot water. Mix that around. Okay, try to get as many of the lumps out as you can. All right. That's it. So now you can drop these chocolates in, or these. I'm actually going to go for these little milk chocolate squares. Just going to break them in half, stick them in. Rustic is best. One more. Now I'm going to microwave that for 80 seconds. There you go. Easy microwave chocolate cake. I'm going to grab a scoop of ice cream. Very good. So some takeaway thoughts. I'm thinking, you know what? No cocoa powder? No problem, just leave it out. Add an extra tablespoon of flour and maybe a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and there you go. You're going to have a vanilla cake. So say you went with a vanilla cake, you could put in fresh raspberries or turn it into a lemon cake with some lemon zest and a squeeze of lemon juice. What else could you do? Anyway, you get creative, leave a comment and give me your suggestions to try, and I'll see you next time.